An oil spill near Village Key Dock on Wednesday, March 5th, has led to a call from the Department of Disaster Management, the DDM, for residents to exercise extreme caution in the storage and disposal of waste oil. According to DDM's oil spill and hazardous material responder Cecil Jeffrey, the leak near Village Key came from a container which was being used to store waste oil near the dock. Jeffrey said once the source of the oil spill was identified, the person responsible was immediately contacted and the leaking container was removed. Sand was deposited on the ground to absorb the spilled oil. The DDM also applauded the management of Village Key for its prompt action to remedy the situation. However, the DDM insists that persons need to be cautious with waste oil as spillage can have a devastating impact on the local environment.
The problem that the DDM is facing recently and continually from last year has been the improper disposal of waste oil around the territory. Persons have just been somewhat careless. The dumping of waste oil in the sewage plant is a no-no, and also just discarding it along the roadside at the garbage bins is also a no-no. The proper way to dispose of any waste oil, whether it be waste oil from cooking, used oil from vehicles, is to actually have it placed in a sealed container, whether it be glass or plastic, and taken to the incinerator, and they will in turn have it disposed of properly. If it's improperly disposed of, the dumping at the garbage bins or just along the roadways, it gets into the soil. Once it gets into the soil, it's very hard to clean up, and it's very destructive to the environment on a whole. If it gets down into the soil, it could seep into the water table, it could go out to the sea, it could have harmful effects on the mangroves, the fishes, anything that we eat from the sea, and then could be detrimental to us as humans in the long run.
2 weeks ago, the DDM was also called to a scene of another spill at Road Reef. Investigation of that incident revealed that waste oil from an unidentified source had leaked into the marina. The DDM and the Department of Conservation and Fisheries cleaned up that spill.